And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The West Indies three-test series against host nation England will begin on July 8th after the previously postponed tour was officially confirmed on Tuesday. The three-match series will be completed within 21 days, as following the first test in Southampton, the next two matches will be held at Old Trafford starting on July 16 and 24. There will be no spectators at the three matches, and they will be played behind closed doors at the biosecure venues, which both have hotels on site. There will be regular testing and quarantine zones for anyone suspected of having contracted COVID-19. The West Indies are due to arrive on June 9 and will be based at Old Trafford for initial quarantine and training. The original schedule, which featured test matches at the Oval, Edgbaston and Lords between June 4 and 29, was postponed because of the coronavirus pandemic. The West Indies lost 2-1 on their last tour of England. The England and Wales Cricket Board said a decision on series against Pakistan, Australia and Ireland will be determined at a later date.